Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix the "you're not eligible for TikTok" error, or sorry, looks like you're not eligible for TikTok. I'll show you how to fix it in 2021 on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm because it really helps me out. You can subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out there. And by the way, comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm curious to know. So to fix the error, you're basically getting it when you want to sign up for TikTok, you use phone or email, and you use a date that's just too young. If you're too young, for example, 22nd of March 2018, click on next. Sorry, it looks like you're not eligible for TikTok, but thanks for checking us out. And now what you gotta do is just click on use phone or email and just select another age that's a little bit older, and then you'll be all good. But the issue is because you selected it once, it won't let you select it again. So what you want to do, there's two things you can do. You want to go into your settings. On an Android device, you would go to apps. On an iPhone, go to general, then click on iPhone storage. From there, you want to go down to TikTok, and and you want to clear the cache off or offload the app on an iPhone. This will basically reset all the cache. And another thing you can do is just reinstall and install TikTok again. So go to the App Store or Google Play Store, type in TikTok and install it again. This helped out a lot of people actually, and it's pretty much the only way to get around it. If this video helped you out, you can go ahead and give me a like, because each like helps me out a lot. We're uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week for your value. I know you can have some questions while you're watching this video, so if you do, comment them down below. I'll try to get back to every single question because I want to see you in one of the next videos.